living a life of a hitch professional, which means that I install hitches, bumper hitches, and wiring on several different cars. So this is just a brief video on a Honda Pilot. So this is just a simple instructions. I'm about to install a hitch on a Honda CMF 13416. It's 4 bolts going into the sidewall of the frame, right underneath the bumper here. I have my jack on, my hitch keeps me from having to hold it up with my hands. The car is on a ramp. Emergency brake is on. And let's get started. So I got these washer bolts. And then as you can see, there is a bolt here. And then there's a bolt here. But this does not come off. This is a part of the trunk. So it's not much space for any tools to get in here, any electrical tools. This will have to be tightened down by hand, and you might only be able to torque this front bolt. Tighten that one to capacity, but you won't be able to tighten this back one. So the only thing I feel that this hitch is really good for is for a bike rack. FYI. Okay. Now on the driver's side, you do not need to let's see if I can get a good picture. On the driver's side, you do not have that trunk. Um, you don't have the piece for the trunk in the way. So this side you can torque all the way down and even use your power tool to get it torqued down to the right capacity. This hitch was installed successfully. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll be sure to upload more videos. Thank you, subscribe and follow.